Are you a beginner watercolor artist or someone whose watercolor paintings aren't quite going the way you'd hoped? If so, then you're in the right place. I help beginner to intermediate artists develop the skill and confidence in watercolor painting through progressive tutorials and problem-solving demonstrations without the discouragement that comes from learning setbacks and inadequate guidance. Picture this. You're a confident artist painting wall-worthy landscapes and seascapes in just 90 days. That's not someday. That's not eventually. That's in 3 months with completed paintings all along the way. So what makes this community different? Forget perfectly edited tutorials that make watercolor look effortless. You'll get something that no other watercolor course does. You're in the passenger seat watching a professional artist in real time narrating every decision, every recovery, every "oh, that wasn't what I planned." You'll see how I respond when the paint does something unexpected. You'll see the exact decisions that I make as the painting unfolds. How to work with watercolor's unpredictability rather than fighting it. That beautiful watercolors happen despite imperfections, not because of perfection. In month 1, we lay the foundation. You'll learn which supplies to buy and which ones to avoid. You'll learn to master dilution, control value, and create your first painting. In month 2, we'll cover skies and oceans. Learn the techniques that make your paintings look professional with dramatic skies, storm clouds, water that sparkles, and preserving crisp whites with masking fluid. By the end of month 2, you'll have a larger scale landscape painting. In month 3, we add more advanced techniques and complex compositions. We'll paint crashing waves, learn how to paint natural looking trees, and integrate the skills you've been learning all along so we can paint those more complex compositions. By the end, you'll have a portfolio of watercolor paintings. This isn't about becoming perfect. This is about building your skills and using those skills to become confident so that you can express your creativity through watercolor. And remember, this isn't a static, one-way bunch of tutorials that you watch on your own and there's no teacher to contact. You'll be part of a private community where you can post questions and comments, as well as participate in twice monthly live calls to ask your questions directly to me and others. So join me and let's paint.